Hi everyone, it's Raleigh with Mejaro Inspection Services again. Today we're looking at a roof that has got some issues. We're just going to note some things here that'll go into the report. But this is an older roof for sure, 3-tab shingle system. And so as you can see in the view here, we have some shingles missing. This is just looking from the ground. You come over here to this plumbing boot. You've got flashing that is not flashed correctly, unfortunately, on the sides. And you have a skylight that certainly needs to be reviewed. We've already been on the inside and looked and did see some staining in the window well from the inside of the ceiling area. You've also got shingles missing on the far side. Just lots of things going on with this roof. We're going to call out to have it inspected by a roofing contractor and make sure they give a quote to the client. You can see shingles just laying there. Definitely needs a new roof. We're going to make sure the client understands and gets that taken care of, hopefully. Have a great day.